very warm welcome to all my proud parents, dear teachers, and of course, our little stars of the day. So, to begin the auspicious occasion, may I invite Shri Shrikant Reddy sir, Mrs. Harita ma'am, Shri Nagarjun Reddy sir, and Mrs. Radhika ma'am, and Shri Prakash Reddy sir. Shri Nagarjun Reddy sir and Mrs. Radhika ma'am. Now I would like to call Shri Shrikant Reddy sir, Mrs. Harita ma'am, Shri Nagarjun Reddy sir, Mrs. Radhika ma'am, and Shri Prakash Reddy sir to ignite the lamp.
शुभं पुरुषं कल्याणं आरोग्यं धनसम्पदं शत्रुबुद्धिविनाशाय दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्नमोऽस्तुते दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपज्योतिर्परब्रह्म दीपज्योतिर्जनार्दनः दीपो हरतु मे पापं सन्ध्यादीपनमोऽस्तुते ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्थं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः ओ दीपब्रह्मरूपस्थं ज्योतिषां प्रभुरव्ययः आरोग्यं देहि पुत्रांश
Thank you. Please take your seat.
Yes, parents, teachers, and our little grandchildren. It's fun. It's my absolute pleasure to welcome you all to the graduation day ceremony of our tiny talks. Today we gather to celebrate a significant milestone in the lives of our young learners. I would like to extend a warm welcome to our Honorable Chairman, Sri Shrikant Reddy sir. He is very generous, humble, and kind-hearted person. He understands each and every child, teacher, and also the parents. He is having a big helping hand to each and everyone. And I would like to extend a warm welcome to Sri Prakash Reddy sir. He is a kind, humble person. And now I would like to welcome our director sir, Sri Nagarjun Reddy sir, who is also the sculpture, determination and self-confidence. He is the backbone of our school. Whenever we call him, he is on his footsteps to do it. Your presence here today is a testimony to your commitment to education and your support for our school, sir. To our parents, I offer my heartfelt congratulations. Today marks the beginning of a new chapter to your child's education journey. Your love, support, and encouragement have played a vital role in shaping on young graduates into the confident, curious, and creative individuals they are today. To our tiny tots, I'm so proud of each and every one of you. You have grown and learned so much during your time with us, and we are honored to have been a part of your early education journey. As we celebrate this achievement, let us also acknowledge the hard work and dedication of our teachers and staff. Your tireless efforts and made a lasting impact on our little young graduates, and we are grateful for their commitment to excellence. Before we proceed With the ceremony, I would like to invite our Shrikant Reddy sir to address the gathering. Once again, hearty welcome and let us make this day a memorable one for our Reddy graduates. Thank you.
Good morning to one and all. Ellargu namaskara. I am very thankful to all parents for your presence. It is a first achievement for the children. They are like promoting to elementary school from nursery. It is like a very much memorable for us, for your parents. So we need to keep up this one continuously. So whenever there is a such functions, you are requested to attend, motivate the children, encourage, so they feel very happy, even you feel very happy. It's always motivating. It is my request also. Please spend your valuable time with your all children, so that they will not feel lonely, and they always maintain a good discipline also. Thank you very much.
Here. Shreya.
Thank you so much, sir, for Shri Prakash Reddy sir to speak a few words. Thank you, sir. So now, I would like to call our little dot, our Amrita, to start it for an invocation class.
before you today as the coordinator of kindergarten, and I am thrilled to celebrate this momentous occasion with all of you. First and foremost, I would like to congratulate our tiny tots on their graduation. You have grown and learned so much during your time with us, and we are incredibly proud of each and every one of you. I would also like to take this opportunity to express my heartfelt gratitude to our parents and guardians. Your love, support, and encouragement have been incredible to us, and we are grateful for the trust you have placed in us. To our teachers, I offer my sincerest appreciation for your tireless efforts, patience, and dedication. You have not only taught our children the fundamentals of learning but have also nurtured their hearts and minds. As we celebrate this milestone, I am remembered of the importance of early childhood education. This formative year laid a foundation for lifetime of learning, growth, and exploration. As our little graduates move on to their next phase of their educational journey, I offer these final words of wisdom. Always remember to be curious and keep exploring. Never stop learning and growing. Be kind to one another and make the world a better place. Once again, I congratulate our kindergarten graduates. We miss you a lot, but we are excited to see the amazing things you will achieve in the years to come. Thank you.
झटका जरा सा महसूस हुआ एक लाइफ की गाड़ी ने कस के मारा ब्रेक हो रहा है क्यों कंफ्यूज मेरे दिल मशवरा मेरा तू आजमा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा चलना सर फुलाना थोड़ी बॉडी बनाना तेरे चिकन का जो टेस्ट कमल की फसल उगाना अरे रे ओबे चल बेटा तू हो क्या तू बगल उठा के थोड़ा लियो लगाना किसी बगल वाली को मरकनी खुशबू सुनाना चल ऊपर देखो कटन के ले कर के बताना आगे वाला सीना दिखाना और सीना दिखाना परसों का लड्डू साइकिल पे घुमा है हाईवे पे मोटर साइकिल भगा के देख स्पीड में तुझको अगर सर्दी लगे तो सीट पे पीछे लड़के बिठा के देख यही उम्र है कर ले गलती से मिस्टेक 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 बेटा
Teachers, principal, parents, and my dear friends. Today is a very special day, the graduation day. I'm so happy to be here with all of you. 2 years ago, we walked to the school with big eyes and tiny whistles. We didn't expect that, but look at us now. We have so many new things. We can read books, write words, count numbers, and even sing songs and elder youth. I'm so happy and proud. I want to say a big thank you to all of our teachers, especially Radhika ma'am and Rashida ma'am, who taught us with so much love and make every day exciting. I also want to thank all other teachers and staff for the hard work and care. And a very big thank you to Director Nagarjun Reddy sir, who make sure we have great days to learn and grow. I also want to thank my friends who make school so much fun. And lastly, my parents for always cheering me on, giving me lots of love, and helping me every day. I'm so excited for what is next. First grade, here we come. That's our clap for ourselves. We did it. Thank you. Teachers, parents, and my dear fellow graduates, good morning to everyone. As we are graduating from Abhyas Techno School. For the past 2 years, I have learned many things and made new friends. I have learned numbers, alphabets, rhymes, stories, and many more. I'm proud to be a part of this wonderful school. Thank you. Welcome to the parents, teachers, and my dear friends. My name is Aisha. I'm studying in LKG. I would like to share about my schoolmates UKG. They are seniors. I admire that they adhere to the school and all the things, and would like to follow them. Thank you. I am Shreya, studying in LKG. About my teacher. Beautiful, powerful, motivating. They are my mother. Thank you. Principal, teachers, parents, and my dear friends. Good morning, everyone. My name is Samrita Suman. I'm studying in UKG. My school name is Abhyas Techno School. I would like to share some of my experience in UKG. I learned reading, writing, subtractions, additions, prepositions, parts of France, community helpers. I have a great time. My teacher gave the best education. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. Thank you.
To the principal, teachers, all parents, and the little children present over here. I'm Samrita Suman's mother. So I would like to take this opportunity to thank the school principal, all teachers, staff, and the concerned management, everybody, for organizing first of all this thing. Because when we were kids, UKG, we did not graduate. So thank you for making this event happen. And I thank one and all for giving such a good education, good discipline and everything, and encouraging students to give speech, and also in encouraging other extracurricular activities. So please do continue to do this good job. And my hearty congratulations for all the students who are getting graduated. Thank you one and all.
morning to one of present here. I would like to share something about the lovely teachers of Abhyas Techno School. The way you teach, the knowledge you share, and the care you take, and the love you give makes you the world's best teachers. So I am very thankful and grateful to all the teachers for giving such a quality education to all the children at Abhyas Techno School. And because of your encouragement and patience, my child has become a confident learner. So thank you all the teachers, staff, caretakers for everything. At last, I would like to share few words about the lovely teachers. That शिक्षा से बड़ा कोई वरदान नहीं, गुरु का आशीर्वाद मिले इससे बड़ा कोई सम्मान नहीं। जीवन के हर अंधेरे में रोशनी दिखाते हैं आप, बंद हो जाए सब दरवाजे तो नया रास्ता दिखाते हैं आप। सिर्फ किताबी ज्ञानी नहीं, जीवन जीना भी सिखाते हैं आप। Thank you, lovely teachers.
My daughter is studying in this school for the last 2 years, so I am glad to see. First of all, I thank all the parents who have come here. You really wanted to appreciate teachers and taking time, and you all come here. Really appreciate. I know that you all know the value of education. Somewhere down the line in your life, something education has changed, and that's why you are here, and you wanted to take a moment for appreciation. And I have also come here for the same reason. So I have a very big heart for the teachers, especially because they are the one who knows more about your kids. As parents, as you know, and then they are the second parent actually. Teachers are the second parent. So. And I really wanted to take a moment to thank all the teachers, who are, inspiring, who are teaching, who are being kind, who are loving, and showing the kindness and the way that the kids have to grow, shaping their characters. As teachers, you are really the great work that what you people are doing. I really appreciate and keep doing the good work. And it means a lot as a parent, we really thank you from the bottom of our hearts, and we really want to be encouraged, to do more, be more loving, be more kind, be more gentle, and see how we can shape up, each and every child individually, to their kids. Sometimes you have to be strict, sometimes you have to be more loving. I know you have all the privileges to do that, and I really encourage all the teachers who are here in Abhyas Techno School. I appreciate your work. And keep up the good work. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Teachers, parents, and my dear friends, good morning to everyone. My name is Yansika. Today we are here to celebrate Graduation Day. I feel very happy in participate in celebration. I love all my teachers and all their presence to always be with me. Thank you for giving me this opportunity. I sign off here. Thank you. Good morning, everyone. I am Apoya. I like to talk about my friends UKG. I have very good friends UKG. We are playing together. But I'm sad because they are going to school next year. But congratulations to all my friends on this day. Thank you.
देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। देखो देखो क्या वो पेड़ है, चादर ओढ़े या खड़ा कोई। बारिश है या आसमान में छोड़ दिए हैं नल खुले कहीं। हम जैसे देखें ये जहां है वैसा ही, जैसी नजर अपनी खुल के सोचे आओ, वक्त जरा फैलाओ, रंग नए बिखराओ। चलो 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 नए ख्वाब बुनने हवा फंसा बम 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 बोले बम चिक बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में डोले बम बम बोले मस्ती में तू डोले भला मछलियाँ भी क्यों उड़ती नहीं ऐसे भी सोचो ना सोचो सूरज रोज नहाए या बाल भिगो के ये बुद्धू बनाए हमें ये सारे सारे दिमाग या फिर गुस्से में कुछ बड़बड़ाते रहे खुद ही सोचे आओ फैलाओ रंग दे दिखलाओ चलो 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 मैं खाऊं